Hi friends, today we're gonna tell you about the farm we went last week, and we're also gonna tell you that how we made our DIY farm. We prefer to go to outdoor places because of Corona. I'm going to show you the chicken. So here there's goose, chicken, and dog. So my sister is trying to feed a goose and now chicken. And I want to tell you some facts. Chicken have more bones in their necks than giraffes, and most eggs laid by a hen is one day is 7. Here's the goat. This is a donkey, not a goat, actually. Donkey is the animal. And here my sister is running, and here's the goat. Eat grass, and we both are trying to feed them. Well, we see some goats near us, and some goats aren't.
Maradi?
And we took a photo by Minion. And here it is. We're feeding the goat. I'm also feeding the goat. And over there is the sheep. Like, they have wool, but that's a brown sheep. I didn't see any white sheep there, but we both shall not go where the sheep are. Because they put a hidden gate over there. So, there's enough animals. And here's the kids area. We better went there when I was little, also. And here's the yard, the cows, a baby tractor, a tree, and there's the bucket because it's fun. Also, there's also a hair ride, and kids having a decorate. Nice farm we made at home. Here it is. So we're making barn here. Here's me taking, and here I'm cutting the grass for the goats. Like this. And then we collected some rocks. And my sister picked some leaves, and I picked some. And she also collected rocks while I was helping Grandma. And Mom kept the sand for the baby bunny. And also my sister is trying to eat biscuits. No, not that. And the bread is almost ready. Here it is. The farm is ready, guys. Now we're gonna sing you Old McDonald Had a Farm. Welcome to Varshika's farm. See the farm animals from the farm that we visited? We're gonna sing Old McDonald Had a Farm. Let's go. Old McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. With the neigh-neigh here and the neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, and for a baby, Old McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And what is this animal? Hunt. Great work. Great work. a oink oink there, here a oink, there a oink, everywhere a oink oink. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. This is a pig. And what does the pig say?
Pig.
Great word. The pig says oink. This is the last animal, the cow. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo there and a moo-moo here. There a moo, here a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-O-O. And what is this animal? Cow says. Great job! So this is our farm. So this is the do-it-yourself. And the do-it-yourself is like this. Do whatever you like best. But write on the name of your farm on the entrance of it. This is the horse, the sheep, the pig, bunny, duck, goat, cow, and the barn. The barn color is red. And this is the DIY that you can make. This one you can make with the cardboard too. Now this is a sheep. This says Baba, and it also he scratched just like the horse. This is the pig, and he eats berries, just like tomatoes. They're like, and the bunny eats carrots. This also says squeak squeak. Here it says oink. And the duck say quack, and the red pond goat, it says bleh, and it eats hay. This is cow. It drinks brown water and it eats hay. And in the inside of the barn, you will meet a chicken. Because the chicken loves indoors.
Oldmcdonald,